Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to skip right into it. We're making a winter gin and tonic cocktail today with fresh grapefruit. So we're using about 1/4 of a grapefruit and fresh pomegranate seeds, aka arils, 1/4 cup of that, and make sure you get it all in there. We're going to muddle this with a muddler, classic necessary cocktail tool that I highly recommend. I'm going to add a link to my favorite one in the video description, but we're essentially just crushing the fruit to expel all the juices, and in the case of the grapefruit, some of the flavor oils as well that will come out of the skin. That's why we're putting the whole thing in there. Next, we're going to go in with 2 ounces of gin. I am really feeling Citadel gin right now. It looks fancy, it's French, love the bottle, but it's really accessible. It's in the $20 to $30 range. I found it at my local liquor store. Next, we're going to add in some ice and then close up the cocktail shaker and shake everything up. I love this clear cocktail shaker because especially with a really beautiful drink like this, you can see all of the action. It's an Amazon find and I will link it as well for you in the video description. Now that everything is shaken up, we're going to strain it into a coupe glass. A gin and tonic is normally served out of a rocks or highball glass, but I just felt festive. This one is pretty. It's not your average, everyday, regular, schmegular gin and tonic. So I'm going to serve it out of a coupe glass. Make sure you get all of that flavor out of there and then top it up with some tonic water. Any brand will do, but keep in mind some are sweeter than others, so just pick to your preference. Last but not least, garnishing with a wedge of grapefruit. Make sure you leave comments, hit the like button, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.